This is the Dethleffs i7501 motorhome. It's EB, which means single beds. And so let's have a look at more of it. It's called Advantage Edition. Bikes can go in the back here quite easily, as can be seen. So you've got an entrance measuring 95 by 93. Single beds, as I said, 75,000 euros in this state. And let's have a look at some of the benefits. Gourmet kitchen with extendable kitchen worktop and space for coffee machine, separated cooker cover. It's got lots of things as standard, adjustable single beds, and 2 different garage sizes available. Let's have a look inside. So, single beds at the back and double bed up there. Let's have a look down here. My favourite seat. Now, the wood here is it's a little bit dark. It mightn't be to everybody's taste, that, but I know some people like dark, some people like light, of course. The lighting in Dethleffs vans has really impressed me. And this is for the 2018 versions. This one is slightly darker, but do have a look at some of the other things I've filmed. One thing I do like about their vans, I mean other companies do them as well, of course, but I like that sort of bit of a seat down there. That's great for putting your feet on, or when you're sitting in the driver's seat and you're watching the telly, it's a great place to keep your feet. Now let's just turn around here and have a look at that. Now, do you see anything different about that? It's on a Citroen. Not many vehicles are on a Citroen base. Citroen has a market share of around 5%. Although, if you didn't see that, you can't really tell it's not a Fiat. Of course, they're all made in the same factory in Italy anyway. So, coming further back, well, this is what they call a gourmet kitchen. Well, it depends who's cooking though, doesn't it? There is a bit of space up there for other things like coffee machine, or alternatively you could put an extra shelf in there or something of that nature. Let's have a look at the lockers, because it's always a good place to keeping things. And that one there has been locked, so they've probably got something in it. Down here, now, I've been asked to film the kitchens more, but I don't really know what else I can actually show other than the way the drawers come out and where you can actually prepare food. There you go, so a couple of things there. And okay, this is pretty standard. So 3 gas burners and Dometic sink, which is pretty deep. That's another good trend in motorhomes, as the sinks are getting deeper. Now coming to the back, so we've got 2 single beds. You can make it into a double should you so desire. This bit here comes out there, and here we have extra storage. Lighting all the way around. And look inside. Shower, sensible sliding door, and toilet there. And of course the door will close there should it so be required. And there's the view down. We've also here got space in the double floor. What's down here? You can keep your shoes in there or something. Cans of beer, whatever you feel like. Now, Dethleffs has got 1 or 2 rather nice vehicles here. I mean, this is a nice vehicle. It wouldn't be for me. I like the there's a new one called the T1, which I think looks great. 6-metre van. So that would be my favourite. This Advantage Edition 70501, I think it's been out for about 4 or 5 years now, Might be wrong on that though. Anyway, so what do you think? Do you like this? Does it, being on a Citroen, would that bother you? Or do you want a Fiat? Or you probably want a Mercedes. But you can't get one of these in a Mercedes. So, what do you think? Okay, write your comments below. And if you want to see more information, there'll be some more information on my site, motorhomefulltime.com, although you'll have to put in the search engine Dethleffs Advantage i7051.